Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Accent Active hatch, stock reference number 5616. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a G4LC, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4LC, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, non-spoiler type, tidy rear muffler cover, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with mute and mode buttons.